Shumi, Simbonani, Senbingelela futhi. As I mentioned earlier, I will try to decode the Northern Kingdom, that is Israel, as there is nothing written from the Bible about these tribes. This is simple because the books about the history of children of Israel as united were written by the Southern Kingdom while they were in exile, particularly the first exile in Babylon. Nakhona lokho kwadala ukuthi the people of Kingdom of Judah were placed endaweni yabo ezisizwe, unlike the Northern Kingdom, people who were spread across the land of Assyria and its provinces. Provinces, I said, those countries they conquered and become their subjects. So they normally termed as provinces, making it difficult to be united and revolt again. Let us begin. As you might have heard, the Northern Kingdom was conquered by the Assyrians in stages. Noma ke singeke sikuqinisekise ukulandelana kwazo, kepha indawo ehlala abakwaNaftali nabakaZebulun bahlasela kuqala, that ithola kumakhosi esibili chapter 15 verse 29, then kwalandela ke abanye ngonyaka ka-721 BC. Umlando ngesizathu esadala ukuba bahlaselwe asicaci kahle, kodwa just like I said, isono sabo kwaba ukuhlubuka ezimisweni zabo noNkulunkulu wabo. However, as I mentioned earlier again, there is also a political reason for the attack, of which naso leso sizathu sibhalwe eBhayibhelini. Amakhosi esibili chapter 17 achaza kabanzi ngesizathu esingesombangazwe. Uverse 4 uchaza ngozungu lwenkosi yakwa-Israyeli uHosheya alwakha nenkosi yaseGibhithe mayelana nentela or inkokhelo okumele ayinike izwe lase-Assyria. Well, noma wona mude umlando ngembangela yokuhlasela kwesizwe sika-Israyeli, enye ibalula ukuthi inkosi yaleso sikhathi uPhekahia ebona ukuthi akukho kuphunyula ekuhlaselweni i-Assyria, wajoyina umkhankaso wenkosi uRezin waseSiriya ukuvukela izwe lase-Assyria ukuze banike izwe laseGibhithe ithuba lokugwema ukunqotshwa yi-Assyria. Kuthiwa inkosi yakwa-Israyeli yabe seyinxenxa izwe lakwaJuda, the Southern Kingdom, ukuba babe mdibi munye ekuvukeleni i-Assyria. Kuthiwa yenqaba-ke inkosi yakwaJuda okwakunga-Ahazi, yadinwa inkosi uPhekahia, yahlasela izwe lakwaJuda yabulala amakhulukhulu abantu. Inkosi yakwaJuda yabe seyicela usizo kwinkosi uThiglath-Pilese, inkosi yase-Assyria, yona engazange ichithe isikhathi yahlasela izwe laseSiriya yalifaka phansi kwezwe lase-Assyria. Okay, khona izwe laseSiriya nese-Assyria. Amazwi la ngichaza qala ukuthi that's people Jeroboam, Rehoboam. Those names ngathi amagama akhiwe nje. Lazo khona iSiriya ne-Assyria. Yani inkinga nje enkulu kabi le, kodwa-ke esiqhubeka kwethu ngesizwe. Kuthiwa-ke uThiglath-Pilese, inkosi yase-Assyria, yona ayizange ichithe isikhathi yahlasela izwe laseSiriya yalifaka phansi kwezwe layo i-Assyria. Yathi uma iqeda lapho yahlasela izwe lakwa-Israyeli, yahlasela uNaftali noZebulun yabathatha. Kwathi ngonyaka wesishiyagalombili ukubusa kaHosheya, yabona, there is no year, but izehlo bazibeka ngokuthi kwakubusa yiphi inkosi. So in reality, someone who knows history will understand inkosi uHosheya wayebusa ngomuphi unyaka, then they were able to make sense out of that. But as for the Bible is narrated, it doesn't say which year, just saying ukubusa kwenkosi uHosheya. Ama-Assyria aphinda agadla kwa-Israyeli agadla Assyria, athatha izwe isizwe sakaRubeni noGadi and nengxenye yesizwe sakaManase, badingiselwa ezindaweni ezibizwa ngeHala, Habor, Para nasemfuleni seGozan. Bahamba nesithixo sabo abasenzelwa nguJerobowamu uBhali. Uthe uma uHoshea kubona lokhu, wacasuka wavukela umbuso wase-Asiriya wacela izwe laseGibhithe ukuba limlekelele. Uthe uma-ke uShalmaneser wayesebusa emva kukaThiglath-Pileser ezwa lokho kubhithray izwe laka-Israyeli, wadinwa wangenela ikomkhulu lika-Israyeli iSamariya walivimbezela iminyaka emithathu okwagcina ngokuthi aliqumbe phansi ikomkhulu wangashiya nalitshe linye, kwaze kwathunjwa ngisho nenkosi yabo. Kwaba ukugcina njalo-ke ukuzwa ngombuso ka-Efrayimi, umbuso wa-Israyeli, umbuso wasenyakatho, according to the Bible narration. Kepha-ke ikhona eminye imibhalo outside the Bible that says something about ukuphunyula kwabathile e-Asiriya. Lokho kwakuchaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu akazange abakhohlwe abantwana bakhe. Zimbili izindlela okuchazwa ngazo ukuphunyula kwama-Israyeli. Eyokuqala ihlonzwa njenge-miracle, while ama-historians eyichaza njengesehlo esenzeka as umlando, a geographical phenomenon. Ngizochaza-ke ukuthi ngisho ukuthini la. Ngenxa yokuthi lesi siga sibhalwe ngesiLungu, ngizosebenzisa isiLungu. Kunzima ukuhumusha leso siga. For example, how to translate the planet Mars ngesiZulu. But I think I mentioned ukuthi ngenkathi beshushumbiswa beyiswa e-Assyria or provinces e-Assyria, babekwa ngokwehlukana as per their tribes or nations. Iji Naphtali wabekwa kwenye indawo ehlukile nabakwaDani kanjalo kanjalo. Now we are moving away from the Bible scriptures as we do not have information from that source. Okuzalandela yikho okucwaningwe ngabathile who had interest in setting the record straight. Njengoba ngishilo, asikho isidalwa esingavele sishabalala emehlweni sike saphila emhlabeni. Kunomcwaningi nombhali wezincwadi uJames E. Talmage. Zomcaphuna ngolimi lukaGeorge lapho ethi, the people were led to Assyria and later disappeared completely, and they have been called the lost tribes. They seem disappeared from Assyria while we look the information for their destination and present location. However, there is evidence that their journey was towards the north. Jehova wayekhulumile ngomlomo kaMose ukuthi isizwe se-Israyeli sothanda uNkulunkulu inkosi yaso, sigcine izimiso zakhe. Ngale kwalokho bayohlakazeka umhlaba wonke. Nokho wabathembisa ukuthi angeke abalibale izinsuku zokugcina, uyakubabizela ezweni abanika lona. Jehova wakhuluma no-Elijah ngaphambi kokuthunjwa kwa-Israyeli ukuthi kunamadodana abalwa kwizinkulungwaneni eziyisi-7,000 abalungile kwa-Israyeli abangabakhothamelanga uBhali. Labo kwakungamadodana abaprofethi. Losuka kwesibili, isahluko sesibili verse 5, 2 Kings chapter 2 verse 5. Bathathwa kanye nawo wonke u-Israyeli ngama-Asiriya. Kungenzeka ukuthi yiwo lamadodana ahola isizwe sakwa-Israyeli esakhona ukuphunyula baya ngasenyakatho. Isikhathi bephunyula emva kokuthunjwa kwabo ngo-721 BC, babeholwa ngezimangaliso, miracles and wonders to the northern countries by prophets of God. Ngeshwa asinalo igama lomprofethi ngesikhathi bethatha uhambo lwabo balisingisa ngasekhaya ePalestina, kodwa kwathi uma befika emfuleni i-Euphrates, uNkulunkulu wamisa ukugeleza kwawo, bahamba emhlabeni owomile bagibela izindonga zawo eziqongile. eziqonge inhlangothi zonke ekugcineni bafika ezimfundeni base belibangisa ngasenyakatho. So ubamba lana-ke le narration manje sisho ukuthi-ke asiqhubeke nale elandelayo isiqephu esilandelayo. Yabona lana angizange nginabe elaborate anything, I just give you the information. Asibonge.